An effective study planner is like a roadmap to success. I'm super excited to share my most tested, trusted, and thorough French study plan with you, with a complete guide to help you learn French yourself. Simply follow this planner to start from level 0, niveau débutant, to reach an intermediate or advanced level, niveau avancé in French. Allez, on attaque! First, let me briefly explain how the level system in French works. French language also follows the Common European Framework of Reference for the Languages, CEFR, to measure the language proficiency. What are those levels? First level, or the beginner's level, is level A1 or niveau A1. At this level, one can use and understand basic everyday expressions and basic phrases. The second level is niveau A2 or level A2, which is considered the elementary level. Then comes niveau B1 or B1 level, which is considered as the intermediate level in French. The next level is niveau B2 or B2 level in French, which is considered the upper intermediate level. And then comes niveau C1 and C2, C1 and C2 level, which is niveau avancé or advanced level in French. Now let's talk about how to plan your French studies. The best approach is to learn grammar, vocabulary, and expressions all together every day, instead of focusing on a single element. So first, let's look at all the contents that we need to cover, and then I'll explain how it works. Always start with sounds. This element is the foundation of every language. Learning new sounds is a time-taking process. So the earlier you're introduced with the sounds, the more time you get to practice them. Also, if you don't focus on your sounds from the beginning of your language learning journey, you'll be stuck with the wrong sounds. And it is always easier to learn something the right way than to unlearn and start over. Think of sounds like the rubies in the crown of language. Without proper sounds, language loses its shine and glory. So, start with complete alphabet sounds. And I'm not saying just the alphabets. Learn the complete alphabet sounds. You'll thank me. And the next step is to learn les accents français, the French accent marks. And then you learn about the oral and nasal vowels. Fourth step is to learn liaison, which is another one of the most important aspects of French. Now let's talk about the grammar. French grammar might seem complex, but it follows a logical structure. Start by understanding the basic concepts, rules, and exceptions. Concepts like the gender of the nouns, French articles, and then les prépositions, the prepositions, along with les prépositions de lieu, the prepositions of place, and then the possessive adjectives, les adjectifs possessifs, les prénoms, the pronouns, la négation, the basic negation rules, and l'interrogation, basic interrogative expressions. Word of advice, when you're learning grammar, please avoid mindlessly doing grammar exercises. It's a complete waste of time. Instead, you have to understand the concept and then practice. And make sure when you're learning verbs, you learn them in the form of sentences. So for example, if you've learned one verb like parler, instead of just learning like je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, try to do it like this. Je parle français. I speak French. Je parle anglais. or tu parles anglais, il parle allemand, elle parle espagnol. This way, you will not only learn the French verb, and it also increases your retention. As for vocabulary, make sure you learn the context of the word. One word can be used in different contexts. Same is the case with French. There are several words that has different meanings. So make sure to learn all the different meanings for that targeted word. Most French expressions lack direct English equivalents. So, learning them the way they are and understanding how they work is the best approach. Besides, learning these expressions and idiomatic phrases not only enhances fluency, but also provides a glimpse into the French culture and mindset. I hope by following these guidelines and planner, you'll be able to learn French more effectively and in short time. Bon apprentissage et bonne chance.